guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's here. So today, guys, I have a special guest.
Hello.
Her name's Rodina. Cough, cough. And today we are going to be unboxing this little fidget pack. So cute. And I just want to give a shout out to Danny Crafts. Go subscribe to her, him. Just go subscribe because they inspired me to make these little packets. So yeah, guys. But before we before we hop to this video, make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn notifications, and give this video a huge thumbs up. So let's actually get started. Alright, guys. So let's get started. Alright, so let's just take a look at the little picture. So that's like a little piece, a little broken heart, a little teddy bear, and a little what's it called? Like a kind of
like a mad face, kind of.
Yeah. So yeah. So like there's like there's little items to make your fidgets in here, they said, and there's also going to be like little stuff in them. So yeah, guys, let's start opening. All right, what do you think I'm gonna get?
Mochi, a ball. Feels like. Wait, actually, like a bracelet, and then. I don't know. Don't chop my hands.
Alright.
I don't know what this one is.
All right.
This one's a mochi, and this one's a ball.
Alright, let's try
Alright.
Alright, so while we wait for her, what do you think's inside of these? I don't know. I'm super excited. Okay, let's feel them. So this one's like very squishy. This one's like not really. This one's like has like real stuff inside. And like I said, guys, this has like stuff to make your fidgets. And stuff. So yeah. Alright, come on in, Rodina. Let's start unboxing.
Sorry about that, guys.
Alright, let's start unboxing. Alright, we're gonna unbox.
Can I open this one? I'm very curious what's in that one.
Alright, we're gonna open it. Let's first let look at them. Let's just let the viewers look.
Okay, I'll help you.
Here, this. Ah! Alright, guys. Do you guys see what's inside? Oh no. What? Oh,
a marble?
Oh yeah, this is an item to make your fidget.
Whoa.
Because like you can make like little fidget.
Here you go.
We have that one, and then we have like this little snowflake. So that's cute. Alright, that's cool. Alright.
I'm gonna open this one, or this one.
I'm gonna open this one. You can open the middle one. Alrighty. I mean, you open this.
I'll open this.
No, I'm opening one. Just take it out. First. Oh my god! It's a DIY tangle.
There you go.
It's such a cool DIY tangle.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Like a... Wait,
Open
no, don't open it. I'm opening that.
Yeah, I'm just gonna hold it.
No, okay. Anyways, guys, I love these colors. Just look at those, right?
Sparkly and stuff.
Yeah.
All right. You can open
I'm going to be opening this one. It's very squishy. Hey. Alright. Okay. Alright. Take a look. Oh my god! We got a cute little mochi. Oh my god, guys, look.
Look at this cute little mochi.
It is so cute.
It's very squishy and stretchy.
So now we're gonna do a little ASMR of each one. Alright, so first guys, we're doing more. Next we're gonna be doing the tangle. Next we're gonna be doing the mochi.
That's it, guys.
So, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe, turn notifications so that you'll be notified on every video I post. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button, turn notifications, and give this video a huge thumbs up.